This building, it's about 300 and some square feet, is costing us less than $1,500. And this is a permanent structure, could be here for hundreds of years. It'll never rot or decay. The insects will never bother it. It'll never burn. No danger of water damage. I mean, it's the hurricanes, it's aerodynamic. It's a really high quality structure, and it's costing us less than what it would cost to just build a platform to build a house on.
Thank you for creating this space. Somewhere I can express my true faith. But anytime I die.
Domegaia, we have equipment for creating low-cost housing with aircrete, and we provide training and designs, workshops. Our mission basically is to teach people how to build their own low-cost homes out of aircrete.
And it weighs nothing. Here, I'll hold it.
That's crazy.
You couldn't do that with a
It's so
concrete
heavy.
block. You could not do it.
Aircrete is, it's a material that's been around for a long time. In the industry, it's called cellular concrete or foam concrete, aerated concrete. It's a real simple material, just cement infused with a foaming agent. What we've done that's sort of revolutionary is made it available to the common person.
So the bottles of water counterbalance the blocks so it can, because they're leaning in, yeah? So they're pulling back, and then it sets in a day, you take them off and you move. And then you take this polyester sheeting and wrap this house. So what it is, it's a reinforced aircrete. It's not an aircrete dome, it's reinforced. How's that for a best building? Ding, ding, ding. It's pretty hard, bro. It's harder than Chinese arithmetic.
It's actually been a training, it's certification training for people who have done our 10-day workshops and who want to become builders and workshop leaders, because we get a big demand. It's such a win-win for people who want to host a workshop, because they end up with a dome and all they have to do is host the workshop. We've done 2 of them here on the island, 2 other ones on the island. We did one in Kauai. We did one in Olympia, Washington, one in Palawan, Philippines, 3 in Mexico, and next month we're in Maui, and then April we're in Costa Rica, May we're in California. This workshop is making it so that more people can host workshops, because we're going to have more trainers now. And then we want to support the emerging paradigm. We want to, the eco-villages and permaculture farms, and, everywhere where people are trying to make community, they need housing.
New earth is rising. We are expanding past the light.
So, people who want a more wholesome life, where we take care of each other and we take care of our planet, and we collaborate with each other and cooperate with each other on a global level.